Today we're diving into a true classic with the Sidecar. With just 3 simple ingredients, you'll surprise anyone you serve this to, making this an instant hit. So let me go ahead and show you how to make it. Every so often, I get in the mood for cognac, and what a better way to show off this liquor than by making a classic, which is the Sidecar. Some things to consider is that quality matters. There's a wide range of solid cognacs out there, but when it comes to orange liqueur, I highly recommend sticking with Cointreau. For this drink, you'll need cognac. In orange liquor, I personally recommend Cointreau as this really makes the drink. And of course, you need some fresh squeezed lemon juice. I've already taken the liberty of freshly squeezing the lemon juice, and I love using these little bottles as it makes it easier for pouring into drinks. And if you really want to get zesty, you can peel some lemon or orange to really make this drink pop. Starting with the mixing cup, you'll want to fill it up about 1/3 of the way with ice. First, we're adding the 2 ounces of cognac. Now, let's add the 1 ounce of Cointreau. Next, we're adding the 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And lastly, I mix everything for about 15 seconds. Before straining into the coupe glass. And there you have it, the simple yet sophisticated Sidecar. Cheers. It kind of gives off an appley taste, which I really love about this drink. I hope this cocktail gives you the proper introduction to cognac as it did for me. There are so many really good cognac drinks out there that I hope to introduce you to in future videos. And on that note, if you enjoyed this video and more importantly making delicious cocktails, please be sure to hit that subscribe button as I put out new videos each week. And please be sure to comment your thoughts on this drink. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you make it again? I'd like to know in the comments. Also, let me know what drinks I should try to make next, and I'll see about getting those out in future videos. And until next time, cheers.